Listin Diario presents the editorial from the director.
Editorial for Wednesday, November 13th, 2024. The Lessons of the Forum. The Mental Health Forum has made it clear that the country is facing a real epidemic of emotional disorders, exacerbated by multiple factors. Facing it requires not only individual actions but a collective response that includes public policies, sufficient resources, and a cultural change in the way we approach mental health. One of the central messages was the importance of avoiding loneliness and the need to have someone to talk to. This simple act of human connection can be an emotional lifeline for many who, in the whirlwind of daily life, face challenges ranging from stress to more serious problems such as anxiety or depression. Reality warrants that citizens prioritize activities such as rest, meditation, and exercise. These practices not only benefit those who do them, but also strengthen the social fabric by promoting an environment of respect and understanding. The experts also mentioned the scarce economic and human resources, the lack of education on the subject, the lack of specialized centers, and the meager coverage for these services in the social security system. These problems, in addition to the abuse of substances such as alcohol and drugs, aggravate the situation and make it difficult for the population to access quality mental health. Another alarming point discussed was the complexity and difficulties of the route of a patient in crisis. This translates into a process marked by limitations such as the lack of specialists, hospital beds, and personnel trained to deal with mental health situations. Added to this is the high cost of treatments, inequalities in access, and the stigma faced by patients and their families. This situation shows that there is still a long way to go to ensure that those suffering from mental disorders receive more support and care, not only from the state, but from society as a whole. Listin Diario would like to express its deep gratitude to the panelists, the PUCMM, the Ministry of Public Health, and the specialized associations for their valuable cooperation and contributions to this event, which has undoubtedly provided essential lessons for everyone. For Listin Diario, voiceover and translation by Danny Leon.
Listin Diario presented the editorial from the director.